The hell are you doing in my house? Just kidding. Hello everyone. Welcome to our new house. I guess I'm just gonna show you around. So this is the hallway thing. Never really had a proper hallway. Last one was literally just like a room with no windows. So this is just insane to me. Let's go on through to the kitchen, which I don't cook, but this is one of my favorite rooms in the whole house. So obviously lacking washing machine, need to get one of those in there. But yeah, this is our kitchen dining area. I'll show you guys the dining room area in a second. Still a little run through because we've got some sweet little fixtures in here. So again, never had one of these before. It's a bloody dishwasher. I don't know how to use it. I'm probably gonna break it, but dishwasher, nice sink with taps. And yeah, just so much cupboard space. I don't know why I'm talking about cupboards so much, but this cooker, I don't know anything about cooking. I'm really bad at cooking. Ollie likes to cook. He's told me this is a good cooker. And so as long as that means that he's gonna make me loads of good food, then this is great. This is absolutely great. The thing that I'm most concerned about, the thing that I can definitely do, can we take a minute to appreciate, it has a wine cooler. I'm not bothered about the cooker. Wine cooler. Yes. So then over on here as well, we've got a built-in freezer and a built-in fridge. Up here, obviously, we've got a microwave. Now this is something I can do. Microwave I can do. Cooker, not so much. Microwave, yes. And then again, just loads of cupboard space. What else is there? Oh, this thing. This thing again is very exciting for me, probably not for anyone else. Spice rack thing. Can't wait to fill it with my salt, my pepper. Don't know what else. I'm sure I'll find something to put there. So yeah, this is the kitchen area. I can't believe this is about to be my house. But we're not going to talk about that because I'll probably cry. So then you move on to the dining area. So also here we do have a breakfast bar bit here. So we're going to get two breakfast bar stools there. Lovely green lamps, little pop of colour. Oh God, I just love it. It's massive. This is the size of our living room almost at the moment. And it's just our dining room. So this is just insane. So we're just gonna get a massive table here. As you guys won't be able to see, I'll show you guys in a bit, but obviously you've got the outside there. We've got garage, driveway, garden. This is detached as well. You guys know that my neighbours in our current house, they like to argue at 3 in the morning. But we pretty much have no neighbours. We're literally living in the middle of nowhere. We've got some chickens down the road, which I'm happy about. But yeah, not really much to say about this, other than the fact that it's bloody stunning. It's just a dining room, and then over there, there's a little door here. If you guys are wondering what this is, it's just boiler and stuff. I don't really know. So then, we go back into the hallway bit, and then you go into the living room, which again is flipping just massive. And this is because you guys obviously haven't really seen much of our other house. This is the size of pretty much our entire downstairs, just this living room. So we have fully upgraded. I don't know how we're gonna fill the room because our lounge takes up this much of the room. So yeah, we've got a lot of space to fill. So basically here, I think we're just gonna have obviously corner sofa here, probably console table there with a TV on it, and then back here we're probably going to have a little area for the cats, with their little climbing tree and stuff. Maybe some cat litter, all that good stuff. Go back in through here. By the way, sorry about all the echoing. Obviously there's nothing in here. We've got lovely cupboards, fabulous. And then we have the first of 5 bathrooms. We don't need 5 bathrooms. It's literally just gonna be me and Ollie here, but we've got carpets in the way, but just a downstairs loo. In our current house, we've only got 1 bathroom, and it's tiny and moldy and dark. No, get back to me, focus on me. So yeah, 5 bathrooms. Don't know how I'm gonna clean them. Gonna need to employ Miss Hinch or something. So then we go upstairs. Come with me. Don't look at my bum. Don't look at my bum. So this is basically our like work floor kind of, because obviously if you are new here or if you guys just didn't know, Ollie now works for me. So obviously we're working at home, we live here and we hang out at home a lot as well. We're like kind of a lot of like, we're very like at home people. So our old house was very, very small and we were literally just like getting on top of each other. So this, there's 5 bedrooms. Yes, so we're basically gonna have our bedroom, 2 offices for me, like one's gonna be an office and one's gonna be a filming room, which I'll show you guys in a second. Ollie's gonna have his own office, and then we're gonna have like a little spare bedroom for like guests or whatever. So, first I'm gonna take you into Ollie's office, if you don't mind. Is that all right, Ollie?
Yeah, that's
all right. Is that all right? Okay, thanks so much. So Ollie's only gone and lucked out with the biggest room, but that's fine because I get 2. So yeah, again, like all these rooms are pretty much the same, obviously just like different sizes and stuff. They're all very, very neutral, which I love. Carpet is so squishy. Just wanna, you see that? You see that bounce? You see that bounce, ladies and gentlemen? Oh, it's nice. Oh, it's nice. So yeah, that's Ollie's office. He's gonna just have like office stuff, gaming stuff, boy stuff. We don't wanna know about boy stuff. So then I will take you guys into what is gonna be like the little spare room. So this is considered the box room, but this is bigger than my current office. Switch on these lights. So again, pretty much the same kind of thing. It's also got blinds, which I love blinds. I'm not really a fan of curtains. The fact that we've already got blinds in here is just perfect. Yeah, it's just really, it's actually a really good size room. Oh, it's quite good size. And then, got some carpet. Yeah. So yeah, this is like the kind of guest bedroom. Probably just gonna have like a day bed or something in here because obviously we're not gonna be using it all the time. Might help for the cats. Might put like a little day bed here or something that the cats can sleep on. Then obviously if guests come over, we can kind of change the sheets, pull it out, turn it into like a double bed or something like that. Might be a little bit of storage. Not really sure what we're gonna do with this room, but I'm sure we'll make something of it. So then, if you come through the landing again, this is like the family bathroom. Thank you. Ollie's just turning on the lights for me there. So I'm just gonna sit on the loo. So I saw this bathroom and I was like, yes, please. Because our bathroom is one of the main things that like we really hate about our house because it's damp. There's literal mold just growing on the back of the wall that we keep having to wash off. And it's just dark and it's cold. And yeah, this, like I saw this and I was instantly like, okay, yeah, love a good bathroom. Heated towel rack. This house makes me just feel a lot of things. So I'm very, very excited about this. But just you wait until you see the last bathroom that I'll show you guys probably at the end because you're not ready for the last bathroom. But yeah, so we've got obviously bath, shower, sink, loo, heated towel rack, I love you. And then we'll come through to one of 2 offices for Steph. So both of these rooms are basically exactly the same, like literally like mirror images of each other. So this one I think is going to be like my actual office, not my filming room, like office / beauty room. So there's going to be a lot of makeup kept in this room. Just going to have like a long desk, have like some sort of makeup storage. And the exciting thing about these rooms, and also the like way, way over the top things about these rooms, is obviously their bedrooms. And there's an ensuite. My ensuite. So in here, I mean, it might be a little bit cramped, but there's a shower in here. So if I'm feeling a bit lazy, I can't bother to walk upstairs because there's quite a lot of them in this house. And I just want to go for a quick wee. Easy, don't even have to leave my office. So yeah, that's that room. Then go this way. So this is probably gonna be my filming room, I think. So again, like I said, pretty much exactly the same. And again, there's another ensuite. I did ask Ollie if he wanted one of these offices because I feel like just way over the top having 2 ensuites. But he said no. So I think it's kind of a waste, but I might kind of turn this into like a little bit of storage because obviously the other one has a window and I like windows. So I might just literally turn this one into like a little bit of storage, like just so I can put some camera stuff there because I'm literally going to have lights here, probably desk right here, and then a backdrop here. So when you see some of my next videos over the next few months, I'm just sitting here, doing my makeup, doing my thing, and it's gonna be so good just to be able to like come in, and if I leave a mess, then I can just leave. So let's leave. So then we go on up to the second floor, and this is like probably my favorite part of the whole house. I love the kitchen, I love the downstairs, but this, like, you guys will see, so come with me, my pretties. So welcome to mine and Ollie's master bedroom. Oh, I just love it. Like, just love it. Ollie, I love it. I really love it. Don't get too close. Why are you brushing my head with the microphone? This room is huge. Like, just flipping huge. Where do I even start? So obviously we've got a ton of different skylights, which adds obviously loads of light. Also really good, because if you want to have the window open at night when it's like warmer, the cats aren't going to escape, so you don't like to keep them out at night. They go out like between 9 and 5. They're very hard workers. So we can just have the windows open, breathe that air out the house. So you go through here, and this is like it's quite dark, so you're probably not going to be able to see too much, but it's like a walk-in wardrobe. This door doesn't open just yet. Oh wait, I can open it. Yeah, boy. Walk-in wardrobe. And then another one of my favourite features of the whole house. Just watch this. Right, let me see if I can figure out how to do it. Been blinded. So this house has balcony windows. It's quite windy today. Yeah, it's pretty windy actually, but it's pretty cool. I'm just gonna shut that because I don't want to like break a window off before I've even moved in here. Look a little bit windswept. So yeah, we've got 2 of those. One of them is in this room, which, you know, I told you that, guys, that I was really excited about the bathroom before. This is our master ensuite, and it actually just makes me a bit emotional, to be honest. It's probably my favourite room in the whole house. It's insane. So again, we've got another one of these, but now we know not to open it when it's really windy because it might fully blow off. This room is just insane. And like, look at the state of this bath. I'm getting in it. I'm bloody getting in it. Oh. Ollie, there's even enough room for your farts.
Oh.
So
there actually is enough room for me in here.
Oh my god, there's so much room. You're not going to have like your toe up my ass. You're just focusing on my crotch.
No.
So got this bath. I love baths. I would take a bath every single day if I could, and now I think I literally might take a bath every day because this is just like the best thing in the whole world. Loads of space. It's massive. And I can see out. That wasn't me farting. That was my trousers on the bath. Nice view. Oh, I just love it. Right, let's get out the bloody bath. Ugh. Yeah, when I saw this, I literally just like kind of wanted to cry a little bit. And I have cried over this house multiple times actually. Every single day I get a little bit emotional because of the fact that I know I'm going to move in. And there's no mould. There's no mould. There's no like, there's double glazing. Our current house has like half single glazing, so it's freezing. My mind is blown. So yeah, that's kind of our house. I don't know what to say. We move in a few weeks. And I don't know what to say because I will probably cry. Right, let's go downstairs and yeah, let's just go downstairs. So yeah, that is it for our empty house tour. Obviously it kind of goes without saying that thank you guys so much because let's face it, if it wasn't for, you know, YouTube and most importantly you guys watching my videos, I would not be able to get any kind of house like this. Like, yeah, I mean, it literally just blows my mind that this is about to be our house. I can't wait for the moving vlogs. If you guys want moving vlogs, then let me know. I'm sure there's gonna be like a proper house tour at some point once we've actually filled the bloody thing. I'm so excited. I can't wait. So guys, yeah, that's it for the house tour. If you enjoyed this video, you know the drill by now. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more, because I upload all the damn time. But apart from that, that is it from me. I love you guys. I love my new house, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.